Good day everyone. Today I will share the three philosophical perspectives on the self that resonate with me the most. These are the ideas of Socrates, Aristotle, and Confucius. I chose this perspective because they relate to my life as a perseverance criminology student and help me become a better person. The first perspective is from Socrates, one of his famous saying, know yourself. This means that before we understand other people, we should first understand ourselves. We should know our strengths, weaknesses, beliefs, and values. I like this perspective because I believe that self-awareness helps us make better decisions. As a future criminologist, I know that understanding myself is important because I will someday face difficult situations where I need to make fair and responsible decisions. A personal example is when I entered college. At first, I doubted whether I was capable of taking basic criminology because the subject was challenging. Instead of giving up, I reflected on my abilities and reminded myself why I chose this course. I realized that I wanted to serve my community and help maintain peace and order. Knowing my purpose gave me confidence to continue studying even when I found some lessons difficult. This experience taught me that understanding myself helped me become stronger. The second perspective is from Aristotle. He believed that a person becomes a god by practicing good habits according to him. Virtues such as honesty, discipline, courage, and responsibility are developed through repeated actions. I relate to this idea because success does not happen overnight. It is the result of doing the right thing consistently. As a basic criminology student, discipline is very important. I try to attend class regularly, submit my assignment on time, and respect my teachers and classmates. There are days when I feel tired or unmotivated, but I remind myself that every small effort contributes to my future. For example, during examination, I choose to study instead of spending too much time on my phone. It is not always easy, but I know that these habits will help me become a responsible law enforcement officer someday. Aristotle philosophy reminds me that good character is built through daily practice. The third perspective is from Confucius. He believed that a person should respect others, value family, and live with kindness, honesty, and responsibility. This perspective resonates with me because I was raised to respect my parents, elders, teachers, and other people. I believe that respect creates trust and strengthens relationship. One personal experience that reflects this philosophy is helping my family with household responsibilities. Even when I have schoolwork, I also try to speak politely and treat everyone with kindness, regardless of their background. In school, I cooperate with my classmates during group activities because I believe teamwork and respect are important as a future criminologist. I understand that respecting people's rights and treating everyone fairly are essential qualities. Confucius' teachings inspire me to become not only a good student but also a good citizen. In conclusion, the philosophical perspective of Socrates, Aristotle, and Confucius have influenced how I see myself and how I want to live my life. Socrates teaches me to know myself, Aristotle reminds me to build good habits, and Confucius inspires me to respect others and live responsibly. These philosophies guide me as I continue my journey in base technology. I believe that applying this teaching in my daily life, I can become a disciplined student, a responsible person, and someday a trustworthy law enforcement officer who serve the community with integrity. Thank you and have a great day.